Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting ambiguity. State one specific goal and pick a target length. Once done, gather 3 concrete facts or examples so your draft has direction. Make sure to decide tone and audience now. This guides word choice and structure. Then, write a brief outline with a single sentence thesis and 3 supporting points. Start the first draft immediately using short bursts of 20-30 minutes. This prevents over-editing and keeps momentum while you discover the real problems to fix. You now refine shape and clarity. Focus paragraph by paragraph, ensuring each contains a single idea and a clear topic sentence. Once done, shorten long sentences and swap passive phrases for active verbs to improve readability. Make sure to remove filler words and redundant phrases. They dilute your message. Transition phrases should link ideas logically, so read aloud and mark awkward spots. Then restructure any paragraph that repeats information. Compress or split as needed. You finish by reading the draft aloud to catch rhythm, awkward phrasing, and hidden repetition. Once done, apply a short checklist: grammar, clarity, tone, and fact accuracy, and fix the 5 weakest lines you identified. Make sure to confirm transitions and that each paragraph advances the thesis. Cut anything that doesn't. If issues persist, one troubleshooting tip: revert to your single-sentence thesis and remove sections that don't support it. Repeat this tightening loop until the piece is concise and purposeful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.